Hey, mate. Pete here. I've just got back to England. And I already miss hanging out with you and your mates. So it's your first April Fool's Day in the States. And you're laid up with laryngitis. Well, at least it'll keep you out of trouble with those characters from your video game. Get well soon, mate. April Fool's.
Still running a temperature. There won't be any school for you today. Come. Mark, please, you need your rest. You're burning up.
It's the perfect setup, LF. His energy's totally sapped. He ain't going nowhere.
Excellent. Lady Luck has smiled upon us. And so has my dear Lady Illusion.
Who are you calling lady?
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Hey, dude, what's happening?
Get out of my face, Hollander.
Hey, Mark, over here.
Yo, what's shaking, baby doll?
Baby doll.
Hey, Mark! Put her there! April Fools! Gets them every time, neat little gizmo, huh? Hey, man! I was just kidding around. Don't you guys have April Fools in England?
Oh, yeah. Old chap. Ha. Just kidding. April Fools. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha.
Yes, all the pieces are falling into place. With the beguiling Lady Illusion undercover at the sidekick school, it's time for the next phase of my master plan. Duff, prepare the truck.
How about a little music first, Lord Fear, to put us into the mood for your evil plot?
If you insist. This is the overture to my symphony of terror.
April Fools!
Such simple pleasures for such simple minds. How dare you humiliate Lord Fear?
Jeez, it was only a joke.
It's in here, I know it.
Mr. Hollander. Bell goes, you go. Got it?
No, I don't got it. Can't find my communication device anywhere. Mr. Cheesy Burger.
Cheesy burger. Stealing jokes from first graders, are we? Improving, are we? Now go. Go, go, go.
Transformer repair.
Transformer repair? Come in.
Hey, good day, sir. From Duff Olino's transformer repair company. We came to do the annual maintenance on your transformer. Bring the tools in, Pug.
What the? What's going on here?
Oh! Wow! Look at all that wires on this thing.
Wait, I need that to power up.
Okay. Here we go. Let's take this out of here, Pug. Okay. Watch yourself now. This is heavy.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Good job.
Ah, very funny. That's far enough, Piggy. We're not going anywhere.
Me smell roast pork.
It's not my idea. It's April Fool's, Ace. Can you cartoons take a joke? Piggy, wait for me!
What's the rush? I was just starting to have some fun. The next move is mine. I better get busy.
Pete, it's me. I wish I was at school to keep an eye on things. I don't know what's going on, but I got a feeling Lorfear's hatching another plot.
Good morning, Mrs. Kutcher. Chucky. You're just in time for Nettie's April Fool's surprise. What is it? You just wait, Chucky. You'll see. It's my happy face cabasa. Oh, I forgot the ears.
Aw, yuck! There's a spider on my happy face.
April Fool's, up, Chuck?
Ah! Dude! That's so gross! You just ate! Back up, man! Back up!
Chucky! I've got the ears! Where's my Chucky?
I guess he couldn't wait to dig in.
Well, that's my growing boy. Next.
I ain't eating that barf.
That's it. I will not have any student in this school spewing hatred about my cuisine. And don't you come back until you're good and hungry.
You're going down, Chucky.
Mr. Fiscus, rushing off to study?
Yeah, sure.
Well. What do we have here?
That's really not a good idea, Mr. Chesborough.
Oh, really, Mr. Fiscus? What, stealing salt from the cafeteria? Suppose you're going to tell me this is what, pixie dust?
No, it's, It's itching powder.
Itching powder? Now, if you will excuse me for just one moment.
No problem.
Is that food or some kind of April Fool's joke?
I've never eaten food before.
April Fool's, right? Hey, where's your necklace thing?
Necklace?
Yeah, that thing that you always wear, the amulet or...
Amulet.
Where's the amulet?
Where
Did the lightning knight
hide it?
Did he give it
To you?
Lightning Night?
April Fools.
Mark, that's not funny. That's just weird. And I don't appreciate being yelled at.
What's up with him?
I don't know, but whatever it is, I'm getting sick of it.
I see a pathetic mortal. I see a pile of putrefied pork. But I see no transformer!
Well, we almost had it, Your Vileness. But,
Sounds like an appalling display of ineptitude, my lord.
Pig-faced butthurt!
Shut up! Get out of my sight.
Go! Didn't you hear his lordship? The sight of you two makes him ill. Now get out!
Excuse me.
At least my dear Lady Illusion will not disappoint me.
Begging your pardon, my lord, you know I'm not one to cast doubt upon others, but Lady Illusion should have lured Ace Lightning here by now.
She needs time to weave her web.
Of course, but Lightning's power source has been temporarily disabled. I dare not even suggest that Our Lady might take pity on him.
Lightning here.
Ace, it's me. I'm in trouble.
Mark, where are you?
I'm at the carnival. I'm hiding from Lord Fear. Come quick, I'm trapped!
Well, hold on, kid. I'll be right there.
Hey, dude. What happened to your locker?
That's none of your concern, mortal.
Whoa, dude. Made your voice crack.
Having a little chat on our cell phone, are we, Mr. Hollander? You know the rules. Hand it over.
Bad idea, dude.
Unhand me, you little brute.
Very bad idea.
What's Mark doing?
Well, it's official.
Mr. Mughal, please.
Mark's gone crazy.
Mr. Hollander, Mark, yes. I'm close to retirement. Did you know that? Please, put me down.
April Fools. April Fools! April Fools! April Fools!
Oh.
Hey, kid. Where are you?
I Googled you good last time, Lightning. Now I'm gonna Google you into oblivion!
Well, if it isn't the April Fool.
Crikey. He looks like one lost Super Zero.
Then we'll have to help him get back home. To the 6th dimension.
I thought you'd get a real kick out of that.
Prepare for total Googlerization!
Where is he? Where's Mark?
You mean your pitiful pal? Search me. Search the entire carnival if you wish.
Mark, where are you? Ah, for once, you're telling the truth. He's not here. I'm warning you, Skullface. Stay away from him. This is between you and me.
That costume klutz can't even take a joke.
This time, the joke will be on him.
Hello? Yes, I'll accept a collect call. Mr. Chesborough, how are you?
Mrs. Hollander, we urgently need a parent-teacher meeting to discuss your son's behavior.
What about Mark's behavior?
This afternoon, that juvenile delinquent picked me up and left me hanging on a locker door.
He left you hanging on a locker? That's impossible. Mark's been at home, sick all day.
Mrs. Hollander, do you take me for a fool? Your son manhandled me not 10 minutes ago.
How could he? He's sitting right here. Mark? Mark, you're not going to believe this, but Mr. Mark, where are you going?
Chuck's homework.
You're still sick. Can't you bring your lessons here?
No, Mum. He's sick too. Don't worry. I'll be right back. Bye. Ace? Ace?
Mark, you're safe. When you called me from the carnival...
I escaped before you got there. Are you all right, Ace? Looks like you're low on power.
You said it, kid. I'm down to 20%.
Is that weak enough to give up without a fight?
Get real, kid. We fix the transformer and I am ready to rumble. We'll launch a full attack, grab Fear's piece of the amulet, and then bring Sparks back from...
Sparks?
Ah.
What do we need her for? I mean, we can take on Lord Fear by ourselves. We don't need anyone else. Especially not that worthless, loudmouth Sparks. Who cares about sending Lord Fear back to the 6th dimension? Forget about him. Forget about Sparks!
Hey, kid, are you feeling all right? Okay, now it's getting weird.
Ace, it's Lady Illusion. They're trying to drain your power.
You could have fooled me. How do I know you're not Lady Illusion?
Would she ever speak in this dumb-sounding voice?
Good point. Mark! Mark!
Ace, it's me. No, I'm me. Destroy her. If you don't, I will. No, Ace. It's Lady... Lady...
I can't tell you apart.
Ace, go on. Kill Lady Illusion. That's so stupid.
Ladies first.
It was a perfect plan, Ace. Wear down your power, you give up without a fight, and nobody gets hurt. We could have been together at last. If your sidekick hadn't interfered. Next time, Lord Fear will hit you with everything he's got.
How'd you know?
Who was who? You laughed. Humans are the only ones who laugh at practical jokes. It's not in my program. I tell you, kid, this is one strange dimension.
What?
April Fools.
That's very funny, kid.
Hey, Ace. You're laughing. You may be more human than you think.
Well, take that as a compliment.
Smart. Listen, Mark, I have dealt with a lot of weirdness from you. But after how you acted today...
It wasn't. I wasn't.
Is that all you're gonna do? Deny it all? Don't you think I deserve an explanation?
I can't.
Yeah, well, I can't either.
Hey, Sam. We've got a table.
Goodbye.
Samantha.
Hey, dude. That was the greatest April Fool's ever. After you ate that spider, I was blowing chunks for an hour, man.
I'm telling you, Heather, Mark was out of control. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. He even had Chesborough begging for mercy.
I can't believe I missed it.
Can't believe I liked him.
You mean liked as in past tense?
Yeah, it's over. I'm getting a drink. You guys all right?
I can't believe Sam and Mark broke up.
Well, looks like I have a new project to work on.
New project?
Begging your pardon, my lordship, but try as she might, our dear Lady Illusion can't seem to get the job done.
I know. She failed me. But it wasn't Snookum's fault. These mortals have a secret weapon. Humor. I fear Lightning's sidekick may pose more of a threat than I originally imagined. But next time we'll show no mercy. Next time, it's no more Mr. Nice Guy.